How to unlock the character Sharen on First Descendant game application. In this video, I will show you how can you easily unlock the character Sharen in First Descendant game application. So without any delay, let's get into it. In order to unlock the character Sharen in First Descendant game application, you need to collect certain material. Those are Sharen Enhanced Cell, which you will be able to find in Echo Swamp Normal Seed Vault. After that, we have the Sharen Stabilizer, which you will also be able to find in Echo Swamp Normal but the Chapel. After that, we have the Spiral Catalyst of Sharen, which you will be able to find in Agna Desert Normal, the Asylum. And lastly, we have the Sharen Code, which we will be able to find in the Agna Desert Normal in Calico Ossuary. After we have collected all these items, you have to visit the Magister NIS and research Sharen for 400,000 credits. And that's it. Just by following this simple step, you will be able to unlock the character Sharen on First Descendant game application. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.